chasing celebrity fitness routines? Here's the hard truth. What works for stars might actually harm you. And this is the part most people miss. Blindly copying a famous person's workout or diet could set you up for disappointment or worse, health risks. But why is this such a hot topic? Let's dive in. Yogesh Bhateja, the renowned fitness coach behind the transformations of celebrities like Kapil Sharma, Sonu Sood, and Tamannaah, Bhatia, recently spoke out about the dangers of shortcuts in fitness. In a candid interview, he stressed that discipline, not quick fixes, is the real secret to lasting results. According to Yogesh, building a healthier body is about consistent effort and smart choices, not about chasing overnight miracles. But here's where it gets controversial. Many people see celebrities' dramatic before and after photos and think, if they can do it, so can I. Yogesh warns against this mindset. He points out that celebrities have entire teams of experts, nutritionists, trainers, doctors monitoring every aspect of their health. They have a whole machinery working for them, including professionals like me, he explains. The average person doesn't have that level of support. You can't just copy everything they do and expect the same results. So, what should you do instead? Yogesh encourages everyone to find a fitness approach that fits their own body, lifestyle, and goals. For example, he's a strong supporter of intermittent fasting, a popular eating pattern that involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. However, he's quick to add a word of caution. If you experience issues like acidity, bloating, irritability, or low energy, intermittent fasting might not be right for you. The key is to listen to your body and adjust accordingly. And this is the part that sparks the most debate: the temptation to use shortcuts like steroids or extreme diets. Yogesh is adamant, don't fall for these traps. Don't chase short-term results or get lured by shortcuts like steroids, he warns. Your body is your temple, and you have to live in it for life. He also points out a practical truth.